are fantastic. You know what I haven't tried in a while? Some new air fryer recipes. And so I thought, you know, we could sit down together and try some out. Expand the repertoire, you know? If you like air fryer recipes, I'll link more at the end. Starting with one that I'm kind of excited about. I have saved this one for a while, like waiting, and it's little mini croissants to make a cereal. It's like, you know, what is it? Cinnamon Toast Crunch? No. What's the French toast one? Lo?
I also would have said Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
But it's not that one.
Captain Crunch?
No. There's one where it's the little mini French toasts.
On it.
I was gonna say it's gonna bother me.
French Toast Crunch.
Why didn't we?
We were working way too hard for that.
Honestly, they called it what it was. But it's like that, but a little croissant. I'm excited about it. Starting with puff pastry. Start of any good recipe. My little pizza cutter, there you are. And we're gonna cut this into quarters. And then we're gonna take one of them and we're going to package the rest away.
Back into the fridge.
We need to lightly flour the surface. Then we want to roll it out a little bit so it's thinner. All right, that looks good. Looks like a cape. Now I'm going to clean up the edges. Hua. Now I'm gonna cut this one in half. Then we're gonna cut little triangles. And you'll see this here because I think I'm going to make each of them, maybe I'll start with an inch. See what that looks like, I guess. Is that gonna be mini enough? I don't know. I'm a little guy here. Let's see. Before I obviously you have to put some stuff on it, you know, right? Just wanna make sure it's the right size. Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. Stop, that's so adorable. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, but I wanna try one that's like a little bit smaller. Is it gonna be too small? These are the questions. So before I keep going, we have to sprinkle some sugar in the raw. So that's what that lady did. I don't know if I should maybe egg wash this first. It looked like she had like a little bit of an egg wash, and this looks like it's gonna be very messy. I have to do an egg wash anyway. I'm now realizing that she might have just wet it, but it doesn't show, so whatever. I want them to be sweet because they're not gonna have really any sweetness other than this sugar. And I want a cereal that's croissants. I kind of want it to be a little bit sweet. Let's try slightly thinner. Whoa, is this too small? Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I love it so much. Just as a comparison to this guy, you know? Well, I've just spent forever on that, so that's good. Okay, now we have them all. Now all we have to do is roll them. So this is gonna be worth it? Probably not. But am I so excited to try this? I absolutely am. Like, stop, are you kidding me? That's so cute. Okay, hang on while I finish these. Oh my goodness, that took forever. But look at them. Oh, they're so cute. So excited about them. And like, this was a quarter of a sheet. It took forever, but like, they're very cute. Now, I'm just going to lightly wash them with a little egg wash. Now we're gonna give them another sprinkle of sugar. These are gonna go in the fridge first for about 10 minutes just to kind of help them keep their shape. And then they're gonna go in a 400-degree air fryer for about 10 minutes. See you guys in a little bit. Okay, now shifting on to something that's mildly more healthy because I see a lot of air fried vegetables and this one seemed really tasty. And that is like a smashed, crispy Parmesan broccoli. And it almost looks like a chip. All we need is our nice little parchment paper, that's the word. And then on to said parchment paper, we're gonna do a little mound. They did a spot of oil and I'm not clear if that's necessary. Maybe I'll do it just in case, I don't know. Maybe it's important to this. One dot, two dot. Put some Parmesan, make a little like a circle kind of thing. And then she seemed to put some sort of spice on and it's unclear to me what it is. Looks like chili flakes. I have peri-peri spice and some garlic. I'm just gonna do that. Then you need to take some florets of steamed broccoli. These are pre-steamed. Oh, my timer. Go cook those the croissant cereal. So I'm gonna do one that's a larger one, and then I'm gonna do one that's smaller. I'm gonna see if it makes a difference. Put it on top like so. Then we need a glass to smush it down. I feel like I've properly, you know, coyote, you know, the Coyote Roadrunner, like smooshed it. That's what it looks like to me. A classic. There is some water escaping on this, so I don't know how that's going to affect it. It's not a ton, but I just saw a little bit. Put some more Parm on top, and then a little bit more seasoning. I don't think they did this, but I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of salt and pepper. I know there's a lot of salt in the Parmesan, but you know. Or, ooh, actually, I'm gonna wait until they're done. then I'm gonna do it. That's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna stick this in the air fryer 400 for about 6 to 10 minutes. Hopefully they're gonna be crispy and delicious. Oh my goodness, I need to sit down. Good news, all the recipes are out. Bad news is it set off all of the smoke detectors. Like ours usually gives us a warning. It was like one of the ones upstairs and the one in the basement, and I was running around trying to figure out what was setting it off, because literally those had been in for maybe 3 minutes. It's like, why is the upstairs one going off? Like that's important. I have no idea. No idea. But it's good that I caught it because the croissant, forgot to say that the first time, I'm very sorry. They were only in probably closer to 4 minutes. No, yeah, maybe 4 minutes. And I took them out. Look at what they look like. They wanted these in for 10 minutes. I was looking at them, I'm like, I'm gonna go with like 6 minutes. Usually I'm wrong. It does need more time. Nope. I'm glad we took them out when we did, because now they're gonna be edible. They're really cute. So obviously, well, that didn't work at all. Completely useless. So obviously, first step is we need to try one without putting like milk and stuff in it. Like they look really cute. Stop. They're so good. Oh no! These are delicious. Oh no. I mean, listen, I'm pretty happy about it. You cannot tell me that is not the perfect mini croissant. Look at that. I'm so proud of this one. This one in particular just brings me joy. I'm gonna set you to the side. See, real pretty. Okay, I'm gonna set some aside for my children because they deserve a mini one. And then I'm going to set some aside for Christopher because he also deserves a mini one. But the rest of them, I'm gonna put some in a bowl here because I want them to cool down. I just realized I don't know if I want them warm in the milk with the cereal, you know? But I gotta be honest, these are fantastic. Fantastic. So if you want to attempt these and you want to have, honestly, it'd be pretty fun to do with like kids, you know? Like using a little pizza cutter, make the little triangles, roll them up. It could be fun. It could be at least 20 minutes. Christopher wasn't here and now he's here and Lo has left. I only get one friend at a time. Christopher, look at my mini croissant.
Those are cute.
You should try
really well formed.
Thank you.
Rolled these yourself?
I did.
Nice.
I did. I rolled all of them by hand with love. You can't eat that one though, because that's the prettiest one.
Of course. That's for the thumbnail.
It's too small for the thumbnail.
Can I have this one?
You can have that one. I know, right?
Very croissanty.
So croissanty. So the girl in the video, she turned it into Croissant Cereal, like French Toast Crunch,
Okay, I can see that.
right? So I'm letting some cool, but then I'm saving some for the children because these are so
Not this
stinking
one,
cute.
obviously.
No, well, no, that one that had your name on it. I was gonna say, but they're really cute, right?
Really good.
Really cute. Okay, wait. Pivoting entirely. These are smashed broccoli and parm bites.
Nothing wrong with that.
I know. What I was curious about is like, was it gonna get all, there we go. See the other side?
A bit soggy there.
Soggy, yeah. That's not as delicious looking, if I'm honest.
What if we cut one in half, try one, and then
Flip the other one over.
flip it over and keep it going so it gets crispy?
Yeah. Sometimes with air fryer recipes, it's like, you could air fry it, but couldn't you also do this in an oven, you know?
Right. It
And
would take
doing-
longer, but
Well, yes, but also it would take you just as long to do 3 of these at a time, which is how much would fit in
yeah, fair enough.
the air fryer. Okay, let's try them. Oh, that's what I was gonna do, salt. Also,
Need salt.
something's burned. Why does that taste really bad?
Broccoli isn't really the best thing in the
But
whole
it's,
world.
but it's not the broccoli though, it's something else.
Are there chili flakes on here?
Yes.
Tastes like burned chili flakes.
Oh, bummer. Okay, that's why it tastes like that.
Salt helps for sure.
Well, yeah, salt helps everything, Christopher.
Yeah, that's less good than I would have thought. Obviously, cheese and broccoli works well, but yeah, I don't think that.
No, because
really
even if we
nailed it.
flip that and we put that back in, it would just burn on the other side. Like it's just,
Yeah.
no.
Yeah.
Not air fryer, but worthy to explore in an oven. Now on to the next recipe. And these were like little churro bites, which sounds delicious. Churro bites using crumpets. I don't know if I've ever had a crumpet. They kind of look like an English muffin, but they're also not at all like an English muffin. Got the bubbly top vibe of like a cooking pancake. I don't know. We got these and we're gonna cut them into little bites. None of these are even, but it's gonna be fine. I'm gonna make this one a triangle. Yeah! And then we're gonna toss this into a bowl, that one right there. And then I need to go melt some butter. Doesn't say how much butter, but I mean, kind of like that, but I gotta go melt it, so excuse me for a minute. Butter is now melted. Then I have some super fine sugar, caster sugar, I don't know, whatever you call it. And then to it, I'm going to add in some cinnamon. Measure with your heart's what I'm going with. Then I'm going to mix this into the butter because I feel like it's just gonna be better to pour on top, right? Everything about this looks and smells delicious. Now I'm just going to drizzle it on top until everything is nicely coated. I am so excited about this. All right, now I'm gonna stick this in a 350 air fryer, and it says for like 8 minutes, but now I'm hesitating. I'm gonna start with 4 minutes. I'm just basically going off of the vibe of these guys, and like they're not similar size. I'm sure it will need like 6 minutes, but now I'm scared. So off to the air fryer these go. Okay, Christopher is back. You didn't know he left. Lo is back now.
Guess who's back? Back again.
We're
We're all back.
Yeah, and you can't eat any of this bread.
I don't remember. I'm being so sad.
However, this might actually be tasty, or a way to tastify a good gluten-free bread, so we'll see.
You're trying to win back favor now, but the
Well-
damage has been done. Shots have been fired.
We're making, everyone, some delicious, cheesy garlic bread stuff. And Christopher's downstairs babysitting the churro bites because now I'm scared that they're gonna burst into flames. Spoiler alert, they needed way more than 4 minutes. But now we're gonna be making them by, I think her handle is the Fit Waffle, and she has just launched an air fryer recipe cookbook, which is really cool. And so this is one of the recipes that she shared, so I wanted to try it. Sounds delicious, it looks delicious. I'm on board. We have some room temperature butter, and now I'm gonna cut up some fresh parsley. I can hear from the sound of it downstairs that my extra 5 minutes that I added were not enough for the churros. That looks great. Now I'm gonna cut up a garlic clove. Normally, I was debating whether I do this or not because I normally don't like a raw garlic in garlic bread, but I'm also scared to do this because maybe this is what burned in the last thing. We're gonna just cut it really small. I feel like I've obliterated this garlic enough. Now we must mix. We're gonna pop this garlic in, put that in, and about a tablespoon or so of the parsley, and we're gonna mix it. Oh, I almost forgot the salt. We do need that. Okay, that looks mixed. Now we need some nice, oh my gosh, it's so soft. Some nice bread. Thicker the better. I mean, I would have done a thicker slice, but this is what we got. Now we're going to spread the butter on both pieces. Okay, they feel sufficiently covered. Now we're gonna take mozzarella cheese and we're gonna pour it all over top. Then we're gonna put this guy on top, and you guessed it, more mozzarella. Now we're gonna go and stick this in the air fryer for 10 minutes at 350. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Well, that's cooking away, hopefully not burning. Let's try the churro bites, which feel like very crispy. I feel like I was expecting more. I don't know what it needs. Maybe more cinnamon? Hold on. This tastes like a nicely crisp English muffin. They're just not cinnamony enough. I put on more, like it's better. It's not my favorite though. Oh my goodness. Look at that right there. You can hear it. It's nice and crispy. Love that. I don't get any of the good pull, but like it looks really delicious in there. Oh, I'm excited about this. And then I fully destroyed it for the thumbnail. I have not tried it yet though. So Christopher, look at this. Look at this deliciousness. No one's mad about this.
Cheesy bread
Cheesy
is going
bread.
to be good. I already know that.
Step one.
I used to have a chair.
You did have a chair.
Sometimes I used to get a chair.
You got a chair. Not today though. No. That's definitely cheese bread.
Very cheesy bread.
Very cheesy bread.
I like the parsley.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
The parsley is important.
It helps.
This would not be good without the parsley. It needs more garlic.
Yes. It needs something.
A
What is
spice?
that? No.
Dijon.
No. It's something to make it more salty.
Christopher.
Good idea. That's the ticket.
Like we're being all serious. Is
Nope.
that better?
Yep.
Like yourself for the win.
I mean, it's good.
I mean, it is what it is, right? Cheesy bread. Wait, I have more. More bread products.
Okay.
Hold on.
Croutons.
Hold on, I have to finish chewing. Okay, now.
Croutons.
No, you have to say it properly.
Crouton?
No.
Croutons. Such a good actor.
You're just good at this. These are churro bites. Bites of churro.
Okay.
You should try it. Really?
You know,
I was like mad about them.
I feel like they could use a sprinkling of
Cinnamon.
cinnamon sugar.
Okay, so I put on more cinnamon. It still wasn't enough. Like I was dousing them. Now try it. Is it better now? Do you want the sugar too?
I think a little bit of sugar wouldn't hurt, right? Because like the texture is pretty good. It's just a little bland.
Needs like a post coat.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, this is the right direction. I mean, a churro is just covered in cinnamon sugar,
I know, but
right?
it's like this is, I think, too crispy, a little too crispy. Versus a churro, like churros have like a really nice.
Oh yeah,
You
yeah,
know?
yeah. The texture of a churro is better. This is just kind of in the same direction, but it's not as good.
No.
But it's probably less work.
I think it needs less time in the air fryer, and I think it needs a post coating. Like as soon as you take it out, roll it in some of the cinnamon and sugar. I think that's what it needs. That's
Still pretty good.
still pretty good. Oh, I almost forgot to try this in milk. The croissant. Feels mildly weird to put little croissants in here, but also not at all because French toast crunch that I was gonna call cinnamon toast crunch. Again. Like I get it. I was right to add in the sugar though. The more sugar is needed, otherwise this is just too plain pastry without anything in it. But like, I don't know how else to explain it. It's not as tasty. But the ones that have an extra kick of sugar in them, perfect. Like, it's fun. Here, Christopher, try this. A petit croissant in some milk.
Less good than by itself.
Yep, I understand that. Let me know in the comments if you've tried any of these recipes before or if there are any that we should try out next in the next round of air fryer recipes tested. I will put a link to all of the other air fryer recipes that we have tested. You can go and check those out. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. New videos here every single Saturday. I hope you guys are having a fantastic, fantastic day, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.